Welcome guys, if you want to insert SD card in your Garmin DriveSmart 61, at the first you have to rotate your device like that, and as you can see at the back we can find this micro SD card slot. So we have to rotate like that, and that's also the position how we have to put this card. So it will be like that. Take a look in this position. So put it here and then gently put it on. Press with your fingernail. As you can see, it's inside. I cannot push it forward, so that's enough, and it's inside. If you want to remove this SD card, you have to just remove it with your fingernail, and that's all. That's very simple, as you can see. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.